Hello all, this is Ashwin again. How is it going? Welcome back to another tutorial on OpenCV3 and Python 3. In the last tutorial we saw how to create a mini project with webcam for detecting and tracking the motion. In this tutorial we are going to see how to create our own custom filter. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a max RGB filter. So max RGB filter is one of the filters available with many image editing tools. For example, GIMP has got max RGB filter. So let's understand what max RGB filter is and let's understand the algorithm behind it. So we know that any pixel on the screen or in the image, it has got three components, okay, B, G, R, or even we can say RGB. So because BGR is the kind of color space chosen by OpenCV to represent the image. So out of these three pixels, suppose now I will explain this by example. So the blue color has got value of 23, green has got 83, and this one has got, red one has got the value of 134. Okay, so all the values must lie between 0 to 255, that we know, and of course all these values lie between 0 to 255, and the maximum of these values is 234. Okay, so max RGB filter when applied, it is just going to turn off all the other values. It is just going to convert this entire pixel into the tuple for this entire pixel into something like this 0, 0. Okay, so this is the max RGB filter. It means that it filters out all the values which are not maximum. Or it will just show the value of the channel which is at the maximum intensity, or the intensity of this channel is more than the intensity of the other channels. So the same way, let's take the examples for other channels. Say it is 83 and it is 5. So in this case only the green channel is going to be there in the final image. So it will be 0, 0. Okay, and the same is true for the blue channel. So if the blue channel is say 123, then the output will be something like this. Okay, so this is known as max RGB filter. So whatever may be the maximum value of the channel for a particular pixel, only that value is going to be displayed on the screen, or it will be in the output image, and rest of the values will be converted to 0. So we need to actually devise a very good algorithm for this, and I have already devised that algorithm. I mean, that algorithm is publicly available in on many forums on the internet. So I have already created a piece of code around it. We just need to put this piece of code into the code that we have already written. So BGR, okay, we are going to use cv2.split function to split a frame which we are going to read from the live webcam, and then we are getting all the three channels separated in NumPy ND arrays. So once we have all the channels separated, we are comparing all the channels with each other, and M is the maximum, is the ND array which is going to have the maximum of all the channels. Okay, it's going to contain like a two-dimensional matrix which is going to hold the maximum value of all channels pixel wise. And then here we are comparing, if the red channel is less than the maximum, then we are turning it to 0. The same way for green and blue channel, and then we are recombining all the three channels to create the frame, the output frame. So let us copy this thing into the code that we already have. Now this code is nothing but the template which displays the live feed from webcam. So let us execute this once before we make modifications to this to see whether it is working correctly. This is the output. This is me. So this is the original feed from the webcam. Okay, and I'm going to introduce the custom written code in this. So the custom written code calculates the max RGB value and it then creates a output frame. So let's store it in other variable output. So I guess we have created the max RGB filter. Now let's cross the fingers and let's run the code. Yes, it looks cool. So this is something known as max RGB filter on live video. So the same way we can create a lot of other filters. We can just create blue only filter, or we can just create a green only filter, and yeah, it just looks cool. See, our skin has the pixels representing our skin are predominantly red intensive. That's why my entire skin is like shown red. My hair are always black. Okay, so that's why they are actually shown black, and the pixels which are white, for them everything is white. Okay, and this one is the bottle of parachute hair oil, which is predominantly blue, and this is the color of the wall. This is the color of the walls of my house. So this is how the max RGB filter works. So the same way we can just show the blue, green and red components also of the live webcam feed. Let's try to do that. This is the blue component. Yeah. So, but we know that, and this is the max RGB output. So this way we can create our own custom filters, and then we can display the output after applying all these custom filters on the live webcam feed. So do let me know if you have any more ideas about the custom filters, and thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time.